Hello everyone and welcome back. This is Tatjana from Garnet Beauty and Art, and in today's video we're going to do a colorful flower coaster, and I have premixed already my resin, which is 1:1 ratio, and I'm adding my resin to small plastic cup where I'm going to mix my white color for our petals, and then the rest of our resin will go in our main silicone form. And for the colors we're going to use 4 different alcohol ink colors, and I have chosen today pink, orange, purple, and then the fourth color will be light pink. Make sure you go over with a heat gun or torch to remove all bubbles. You need to do it nice and quickly so you're not gonna overheat the resin or damage your mold. And then we are going to mix our white color. For the white color I'm going to use my ocean white, which is perfect to create any flowers, and it's really intense color, so you need really tiny amount of it, and it's quite heavy as well, so if you will put too much it can sink to your design too much, and we don't need it. And just mixing my white, make sure it's beautifully mixed together, and then we will be ready to add our crushed glass in the middle of the coaster. And for today's design I'm just using a simple black color. Make sure you place it in the middle of the coaster, and I normally use my wooden stick after just to correct it where I want it to be, and just push it a little bit down so resin it's covered with resin. And then after this we will be ready start adding our colors. And for the first color we are going to use a darker pink color, and it's alcohol ink, and I'm just adding some dots, some drops around the black color. And make sure before you're using any pigment or alcohol ink, it needs to be really shaked well. And this is the orangey yellow color, and again we're just repeating same, just going over around our red color. And now actually it looks like a poppy flower. And then we're going to add our purple. And after this, when I added my purple, I just decided to add few more drops of pink color just around the mold, and I chosen quite nice and lighter pink color, and just adding few more drops of the pink. And I decided to add few more pink color in my yellow as well. And then I'm going to use my silicone brush just to mix color slightly so it's nicely blend, and I'm just going over with circular movements and trying to gently mix the color together, and one more on top of the other colors, and I will do just another round through all colors. And then we will be all ready to add our white color for the petals. And I'm going to start with my white today from outside of the mold. Make sure you're ready and just start doing it. Make sure you do not dribble it around, and just nicely go around the mold until you will get to the middle. And then again I will be using my silicone brush to create a petals, and I normally do 8 lines in and 8 lines out, and little swirl in round of the crushed glass, and then will be all done. I normally would go over with a heat gun as well. Make sure you do not use a torch because it can create a fire, or you wait at least 10 minutes after you put your alcohol ink to go over with the torch, so be really careful. So I have gone over with a heat gun and then waited a little bit and went over with a torch as well. So, and that's it, and we're all done. So it's really nice and easy flower design. And thank you very much for watching, and see you shortly for demolding. Hello everyone and welcome back, and today we're just going to demold flower we done yesterday, and it's really colorful, and I used some red and pink and some yellow alcohol ink, and let's have a look. So it's really nice, and let's have a look what we've got on another side. And I use some crushed glass as well, black color in the middle. So let's have a look what we've got in there. And that's really nice. Really, really nice. Some orangey color and pink blooms. So it's really nice, nice and easy resin flower coaster. I quite like it. I hope you like it as well, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and see you really soon. Thank you. Bye now.